Hey guys, so last week I posted a video of how we made our pantry shelves, but it didn't go into detail on what sizes they were or the cost breakdown. So today, because I had a couple requests, I would like to give you a detailed tour of our shelves and what we put on them for our food storage so that you can see the exact sizes of each shelf and how much they cost so you can determine what's the best sizes and layout for your pantry shelves. Since it's a pantry, I don't have a lot of space to walk in and around here, but these are the shelves from the video that we posted, and now they are, as you can see, completely full of our food storage. And we don't have any on this wall yet, but we plan to do the exact same thing because I love them so much. Okay, they were a super good use of space. So let me just show you the sizes. Let's start with the bottom. Down here, this from the floor to the shelf right there is 16 3/4 inches. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a crate here that fits fine. You can stack 2 number 10 cans. I usually keep a lot of my larger appliances like my pressure cooker and my crock pot down here, and then we've also got boxes, see. So it's not a great use of space on my part down here, but it is tall enough to fit a pressure cooker or taller items. Okay, so moving on to the second shelf, this one is 16 inches from here to here. Okay, and right now I have my cold cereal boxes on there. You can see they fit excellently. We've also got a couple large items back there, so you can see we got plenty of space. Those are my 2 large shelves that I have to keep my bigger items on. This one right here is a medium shelf. It's 13 inches. And as you can see, we've got chicken broth there. There's lots of extra space there. But when you come over here, if you stack 2 large cans on top of each other, you've just got a little bit of space there. So that's a really good size. We could have gone a little smaller on this, but I don't want to because when I have, okay, there's a good one right there. My beans back there that are the extra large cans just fit just right there. You see that, okay? Then the next few shelves are all very close to the same size. I have 11 1/4 here, and we were just putting up shelves and trying them out as we go. We weren't measuring to have them all exactly the same, but this shelf, this shelf, this shelf, and that shelf are all between 11 and 11 1/4 inches. And here's what they fit. I mean, this is what a regular can of fruit has plenty of space above it. But then when you've got the large cans, okay, see right here, my spaghetti sauce just has just enough space above it. So it's a really good size for being able to stack 2 large cans. And then lots of space. These are smaller jars, you see that? The smaller ones and the bigger ones in the back. Plenty of space. But then with the large cans, you just have a little bit of extra space. Okay, same goes for there. Oh, let me show you. You can stack 2 of the small jars on top of each other and have just enough space there. Over here we've got, a bigger box of Quaker Oats back there. Just more cans. Then moving up to the next shelf, you can see that when we have our number 10 cans on these 11-inch shelves, there's also space to slide things right on top. I keep lots of boxes of those tiny, like half-pint jars. We use them all the time, so I have lots of those boxes that we just slide in different places. Over here, that's the size of a number 10 can with lots of space. Okay, and then the last is just the space between the top shelf and the ceiling. So you can see that I've got jars there. Those are full-size quart jars. And then on top of them, I can fit a box just fine. No problem. That top space is 12 inches. So there's a little bit of extra space on that top shelf. And as we turn the corner, I've got my Heaven's Harvest seeds up there. So lots of space for different size things. Small cereal boxes fit on the 11-inch shelf. Okay, so you can see that these are really good size for being able to stack cans Also, because of the way we built them, they are very sturdy. I mean, there is no sagging, and you can see how full and loaded I have these shelves. We have a family of 7, so we like to keep a lot of food storage on hand, and I do enjoy canning. Those are not light. Those are very, very heavy, and there is no sagging. So if you are wanting some really sturdy, good pantry shelves, be sure to check out the video where it shows how we built these. And then real quick, I'll just tell you a cost breakdown. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. Okay, so each board was $20 about, and then each bracket was about $10. So for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shelves and plenty of brackets to make sure that it is sturdy enough for me to not worry about how much weight is on it, it was a total of about $300. Okay, so that's not too bad for pantry shelves that look really nice and they're gonna last a long time, and I don't ever have to worry about what we're stacking on them for how heavy they are. And just so you know, these are 16 inches deep. So you've got lots of, I mean, it's a really good space. How many rows of cans can I fit in here? Let's see. Just trying to count back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rows of the large cans will fit on that. And then the jars up there, 1, 2, 3, 4 deep. The homemade jars are 4 jars deep, and they fit just right to the edge. So that's a 16-inch depth on these shelves. So I hope that's helpful for you as you're planning your pantry shelves and what sizes you want to do. But again, we love these sizes so much, and these shelves, we just picked them up from Lowe's, that we are going to then do it on this wall because it is such a great use of space over there, and we can keep everything really organized and I can see it all. So talk to you later.